Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Azure Synapse GitHub Integration. This tutorial will walk you through the process of integrating Azure Synapse with GitHub, a powerful tool for data analytics and collaboration. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources, while GitHub is a web-based platform for version control and collaboration. Integrating Azure Synapse with GitHub enables you to manage and track changes to your data pipelines, collaborate with others, and automate deployment of your data analytics solutions. To get started, you need to create a GitHub repository. This will serve as the central location for your data analytics projects. Next, you need to create an Azure Synapse workspace. This will be the environment where you will develop and deploy your data analytics solutions. Once you have created your GitHub repository and Azure Synapse workspace, you can link them together using the Azure Synapse GitHub integration feature. This feature allows you to connect your GitHub repository to your Azure Synapse workspace, enabling you to manage and track changes to your data pipelines. To link your GitHub repository to your Azure Synapse workspace, navigate to the Azure Synapse Studio. Click on the Manage tab, and then click on GitHub Configuration. From here, you can authorize Azure Synapse to access your GitHub repository, and then select the repository you want to link. After linking your GitHub repository to your Azure Synapse workspace, you can start managing and tracking changes to your data pipelines. You can create and manage branches, commit changes, and collaborate with others in real time. Best practices for Azure Synapse GitHub integration include using branches to manage different versions of your data pipelines, committing changes regularly, and using pull requests to review and validate changes before deploying to production. In conclusion, integrating Azure Synapse with GitHub is a powerful way to manage and track changes to your data analytics solutions, collaborate with others, and automate deployment of your data pipelines. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can get started with Azure Synapse GitHub integration and take your data analytics to the next level.